Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to update software and applications on your Google Pixel 8a. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step I will show you how to update the software of the phone. For that, unlock your phone and swipe up to see all apps list. After this, click on Settings and swipe down until you will see this tab System. Click on it, and right here you'll be able to see software updates. Also click on it, and as you can see, your Pixel is up to date. Because this phone is brand new, it doesn't have any new updates yet. But if you will see any available updates right here, you can easily install them by clicking on them and following the instructions on the screen. But make sure that your phone is charged enough so it doesn't go off in the middle of update. Now let me show you how to check for updates on all of your applications. For that, open Play Store. Right here, click on your profile picture in this corner and click on Manage Apps and Device. Right here, you can see updates available. And you can see right here, if you click on See Details, you can see all of the applications that have some available update, or easily click on Update All. And all of the updates will be installed. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.